Take a look at this house for sale in Wrightwood, California. Today we'll do a video tour, virtual open house, and we'll be showing you the neighborhood, the front yard, the backyard, and all through the inside of the house. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. Enjoy. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this house or any other houses for that matter, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is in the description below.